guys, welcome back. Today me and Sasha are going to bring you our December Boxycharm unboxing. Yes, Sasha is my new kitty. And she is just the sweetest little face. Look at this little face. She's a kitten. She's 3 months old. She's a calico. Sasha, you want to say hi to everybody? She's like, let me down. Somebody's playing. Someone's playing. And this is Dexter. I guess I got 2 new kitties. They are both rescues. I got them from, where did I get you from? I got you from All About Spay and Neuter in Massapequa, here on Long Island. Ooh, isn't he just adorable? He's 4 months. Yeah, it was time to expand our family. So Sasha and Dexter. Harley and Lily are actually doing really, really well, in case you guys are curious. Okay, so anyway, for those of you who don't care about my kitties, let's go for a Boxycharm unboxing. Boxycharm, if you don't know what it is a monthly beauty service that sends you, whew, I got little kitty hairs all over my face, send you products every single month for a fee. I'm going to put a link to Boxycharm to sign up in the description bar for you guys. I am an affiliate. That means if you use my link, I get some money. Not a lot, a small fee. If that makes you feel uncomfortable, that's okay. Just go to Boxycharm directly. You do not have to use my link. I'm okay with that. So, just figured I'd put it out there. I put it there for your convenience. Okay, so this month's box looks like this. I have not seen any spoilers for it yet, but I'm very curious. You're gonna see them kind of running in and out because they've been crazy kitty wrestling all day, so I'm sorry about that. Okay, so this month's theme is, oh, 'tis the sea sun, like sea sun, get it, sea sun. I think last year they weren't very festive. I was really vocal and like disappointed about that, so I'm glad they really embraced this season because I am a Christmas girl. Alright, so the first thing in here I see is by Bodyography. This is called Heatherberry. It's a lip pencil. This is perfect because I forgot to put something on my lips. Oh, that's a pretty berry color. Let's put this on our laps. Let's put this on our laps. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna warm it up a little on my hands. Oh, by the way, just ignore my little subconjunctival hemorrhage. Ugh, it's real life, people. And we cannot filter that out. The pencil's very hard. It reminds me of almost like an old Mac pencil. You know, like it's not very soft, which is kind of getting me. I do like the hard pencils to get a precise lip line, but like to fill in your lips, it's not so easy because it kind of hurts. Hey, do you see them running around like little nut jobs? I warned you guys. Okay, so this pencil, what is it called again? Heatherberry. It is an MSRP of $12. So I see that there is another lip color in here, so thankfully I can pair those together. There is a shimmering lip paint by Tarte. It's called the Tarteist Lip Paint. It's a sheer gloss and it's an MSRP of $20. So hopefully these colors go together. This is in the color Insta-Famous. Ooh, it's beautiful. I actually have a matte color that looks just like this. So pretty. All right, let's add this right on top because we're gonna need something to go on top. Oh, do you guys see this right now? So pretty. Oh my gosh, there's pink and blue sparkle in it. Okay. This smells like vanilla cake and it smells amazing, by the way. This is like instantly my new favorite lip color. Holy shoy. Oh my god, it's so festive. Oh, this combination. This lip color is giving me life. Ooh. Ooh, and it looks good with my makeup right now. I love it. My hair is flat. But let's ignore that. Alright, so what did I say? This is the color Insta-Famous. This is beautiful, you guys. This is gorgeous. What a knockout for Boxycharm. What a great combination. Okay, so the next thing in here is from Pretty Vulgar, which they have beautiful packaging. This is the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder, matte about it. It's an MSRP of $32. This is beautiful. I love trying new face powders. Oh my goodness, it's so dainty. Look at the little puff. All right, so sorry, I didn't mean to get all squeaky on you guys. let's, I'm only gonna open it halfway because I don't like to over open it because then it's just crazy. And let's use the little puff. Let's puff ourselves. Let's puff ourselves, shall we? I think I'm probably a little shiny. Okay. Let's do a little bit of this. I love that girly. Ooh, yeah. That really took the shine out. Yeah. All right. Honestly, 3 out of 3 so far. I am feeling you, Boxycharm, for December. You are doing a good job. The next thing is from Cosmetics. It's called Detox Charcoal, Activated Charcoal Mask. This is an MSRP of $30. I got a little Dexter hair on my lip. It says, detoxify your pores from daily grind with Cosmetics. Activated Charcoal Mask. It draws out dirt and impurities. All right. Let's see. Well, it's closed, so I'm not going to open it, but I really like masks. I like to clarify my skin, so I'm excited to try that, and that is $30. So the last thing is by Suva Beauty. It says Protege on it, and it looks like it's a palette, warm and cool tone eyeshadow palettes for $34. Ooh, look at these colors. That's really pretty. Ooh, I have to try this one on. Like, I have to try this one on. I can't stop myself. Let me get a little eyeshadow brush and let's try this. It's called Structure. This is really pretty. I like both of these shades a lot, actually. Oh, my eyeshadow is all creasy. So you know what? It'll cover my creasy eyeshadow. I didn't even realize my eyeshadow was so creasy. Thanks for telling me, guys. Oh, yeah. That's beautiful. Look at that. I can't believe my eyeshadow is creasing. I was using a new primer today, which I never use. And it got all wonky. Oh yeah, look at the shadow. That's so pretty. I love it. I'm going to go for like a MAC 217 and I'm going to hit some of this Poetic here. This little Poetic shade. Can you guys see that I'm not wearing pants? No? Okay, good. And let's do a little bit of Poetic in the crease. It's pretty. Oh, I love that. Yeah. Ooh. I'm like, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah, I'm such a pervert. Okay, next I'm gonna take some of Theory. That's an eyeshadow, but like YOLO. And I'm going to use that on my face for a highlight. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. Because you know what? Nobody makes the rules in this house but me. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, I love that. I just like put the camera. That's beautiful. Boxycharm, you killed December. This is like the best month we've gotten in a long time, honestly, guys. Like, this is the best month we've gotten in a long time. Alright guys, well if you want to sign up and get this month's Boxycharm, I highly recommend it. Great products. Great. Every single product in here I tried. It is amazing, except for this one. I didn't try this, but I'm sure this is great. Charcoal masks are bomb.com. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to sign up for Boxycharm using my link down below if you want to. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I love you guys. I will see you soon. I will see you soon. I promise. Real soon. Okay. Bye, guys.